I don't know what to eat. I've got a bit of rice left, really cooked rice, some frozen broccoli, some mixed veg. That's everything in there. There's some broccoli at the bottom. I warmed up half a cup of rice, and I'm going to use half of this mixture to put over it. I did make like a white sauce type of thing in here, but because of the spices and things I used, it looks quite brown. Mix some protein powder into some plain yogurt, and I'm gonna have this as a snack because my protein intake was not that good. All I felt like since yesterday was some protein pancakes, so mainframe, yeah. So I've decided to make some today. Mixing up a batch for myself. I'm hungry. I actually got up, well, I wouldn't say late, but I stayed in bed for quite a while, and I finally got myself done. It's 11 o'clock now. Just want to make my pancakes, and then I need to finish. Sealing the painting that I have inside, and then for the rest of the day, it's just going to be editing. But I do need to exercise, and I'm going to see how I feel later, because I felt like I've got like a bit of a sinus thing going on, and I'm a little dizzy right now. And a very, very light headache just sitting right there at the back. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of flour. I don't always add flour to pancakes, but I'm adding a little bit, to my protein pancakes. But I want something with a bit more substance. So, and I normally let my concoction, I normally let my pancakes sit for about 15 minutes. If it's a bigger batch, 20 to 30 minutes or longer. But I'm very hungry. So I don't know how long I'm gonna leave this sit for. I don't want to start on the painting while I wait. I'd rather finish eating first, and then I'll do that. I don't even have a mixer. I'm mixing with a spoon and my fork. Right. I just want to show you. I hope I've got it in frame. I'm not looking. Maybe I should look. Alright, just want to show you what it looks like. I'm gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes or so, and then like this one was in the front. So I'm gonna let that sit for 10 minutes. I'm gonna watch a quick YouTube. Or maybe I should get stuff ready to seal. We'll see. But I'll be back soon. I'm patiently waiting for the bubbles to form, and it's forming and it's almost ready to flip. Damn, I'm so hungry. And a little greedy since yesterday morning. But I thought it's best that I have my oats. It was a good choice. I enjoy my oats. But I'm so ready for this pancake. Come on. A little bit too much oil, but for the first one, okay. Leave it alone, Gail. Leave it alone. It's not ready. Oh gosh. That's a lot for me. Oh gosh. Here we go, same as the night before, just a half a cup of rice, mixed veg. This was frozen broccoli, which is not the best, but okay, and some mushrooms, and I didn't have onion. I didn't know I had onion, and lots of stuff just to doll it up, make it taste nice. And I made a little bit of a white sauce in there as well. Try a bit. Come on. Good. Still good. Right, so the first toasty is in. My frikadelles I made. They're minced frikadelles. That one was just to taste. And I'll do my daughter. These, and I'm thinking that's fine. That one was a bit smaller. I tried to make them even size, but I'm not the way using that. This last batch is looking much nicer because I had some time to stand. So I turned these and they're looking good. So another 2 minutes or so. I don't know if you can see the rain, but it's a bit windy and it's quite a bit of rain this morning. It's a cold and gloomy day. Right, nobody's surprised. I'm doing protein and banana pancakes again this morning, topped with peanut butter and cinnamon, and I'm gonna have a protein coffee with that as well. Right, so my camera died yesterday, or the battery died.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares.
Space.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead,
So now it's now 12:50.
Play dead, will you regret?
Well, it's 10 minutes to 1, and I'm hungry. I've been hungry since 12 o'clock, and so I've got some food that I made last night, and I might just have that, and tonight I'll figure out something else. Alrighty.
Always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you. It's stupid. When I'm alone with you, I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you, I knew this. When I'm with you, I feel so useless. I feel diluted. My heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
Lay down.
but if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get
Sure, it's storming.
Yeah, you love when we fight. I'm wrong and you're right. I don't wanna go back and forth with you no more. No, we can't even try. No, we can't even try. Fire and ice. Lose my breath when I think of that night. Take me back before I told you goodbye. This happens every time when we collide. Like fire and ice. Like fire and ice. Say you wanna go slow, but I gotta say no. I wanna go back and forth with you no more. We can't even try. We can't even try. fire and ice. Lose my breath when I think of that night. Take me back, oh I told you goodbye. This happens every time when we collide. Like fire and ice. Like fire and ice. Ooh. Wanna go back and forth with you no more. Can't even try. Can't even try. Fire and ice. Lose my breath when I think of that night. Take me back, oh I told you goodbye. This happens every time when we collide. Like fire and